Hello and welcome everyone to our YouTube channel Step-by-Step Solutions to Your Computer Problems. This YouTube channel is an initiative taken by Concepts Books Publication India Private Limited, a complete publishing solutions. In this video, we are going to give you a quick tour about our book Step-by-Step Solutions to Your Computer Problems. Now, what I would like to tell you here is that in this whole video or in this whole series of videos you are going to learn stepwise solution of your problems. There are different sections in this series where you can go and jump onto your own preferred section where you are facing problem. So let's start that what are we are going to actually learn throughout the video series of step-by-step solutions. First is going to be the Windows management. In this we are going to talk about the problems the user faces in Windows in managing the Windows. Then second comes the internet management. The basic rules and the basic tasks and the basic problems that user faces will be summarized in this section. Third section will be application management. Here basically the software, those who are the application softwares installed in your computer, related to those applications we are going to discuss application management. Fourth is going to be the memory management. Space today in systems and in mobiles and in laptops is very much essential. Now what we have to do, we have to manage the memory, we have to manage the space as if it is the space in your own room or in your own home, because if you'll be managing your memory accordingly, you will get the more out of it no matter what device you are using. Let's move on to the fifth section, which is going to be remote learning. In this pandemic we are sitting, the COVID has made everyone work remotely. Be it a teacher, be it a worker of a company, an IT company, be it a meeting online, be it any other thing which can be handled through computers, is remotely accessing and remotely working. So remote learning is a very most important section of this video series, so don't miss out for that. You will get to learn new tools and new softwares that we are going to use. And the last one is going to be the apology. We are living in the world of apps right now. Every software, every websites are now having their own apps. So apology is actually a to Z combination of different apps. Those are useful but you don't know about them. So what am I going to do? I'm going to explain you the name of the apps and their features and how much they are important for different people. Next one is we are going to discuss the Windows management. In Windows management, the problems that users usually faces, as if slow speed of computer, slow response of computer, what to do when the screen goes upside down. So these type of initial problems, startup repair problem, get rid of the problems of the infinite startup. So there are n number of problems that you face. So I have summarized it to 15 major problems that everybody faces. These can be the majority of the problems that user encounters. So we'll be discussing this. Then comes the internet management. In internet management, we are going to discuss how to download the videos, how to convert the videos into MP3, how to download a whole movie. We are going to discuss about the recording of the webcam, which is very much in demand right now, as if everybody is making their courses, everybody is teaching online, everybody is learning online, so if you want to record something you can, or how to do that. So we are going to study all this, and we are going to